My name is Alex Tosin. I've been with Actilife since 2023. So I was working in the CrossFit space before I joined Actilife. And I was just doing group strength conditioning. I was just doing mainly CrossFit classes and personal training. I was happy, but I also wanted more in my life. I grew up in the CrossFit space since I was 16. I started working when I was like 20. So I'd done group strength conditioning classes for since all the way up to 29. And more importantly, I just wanted to change my life. I was happy with my life, but I was also just wanted to have a little more freedom and make more income and make more money. And I used to work 7 days a week, back in my old gym. So I found Actilife back in 2018, and I mainly followed them just for like shoulder work or hip work or lower back work. And then one day, one of my friends, she told me to follow ALP and all the things that they were posting about coaching, coaches should be making this much money, coaches should be working this many hours on the floor. It really resonated from what I was like, yeah, that makes a little more sense from there. I'm from Toronto, so paying the US dollar rate was a little bit more out of my steep. But I told myself that if you need to change your life, you gotta take action in it. My biggest thing was having those conversations with people and knowing what to say, how to say things properly, and the marketing, the sales, all that was pretty big into it. I started my own business back in May 5th of 2025, so this year, and my income has grown 3x since then. So, and now I'm able to charge what I need to charge, and all my clients are happy. I'm happy, more importantly. I have days off now. I got that little more freedom in my life now, and I get to control what I need to control in my life. As of right now, I don't know, I just started, so I'm mainly trying to keep things consistent and make sure clients are happy and just take it from there.